Farming is something that I've always been interested in, and the opportunity came up to go to New Zealand, and I thought, you know what, there's not a chance I'm missing that. So I packed up my bags, I cried, I said goodbye, and I moved across the world, and it was the best decision I've made. Yes, obviously it's hard being away from home, but the support system you have here, it is next to none, you know, between the people that you work with, you know, they're always looking out for you, as well as Mac's people, they're constantly checking in. They make you so aware of the support that they give you. Someone was always at the other end of the phone, which I definitely think helped not only me feel settled, but also my parents feel settled about me coming across, because no one wants their wee baby just going the whole way across the world, you know, but it definitely, like my dad, he says that it gave him peace of mind knowing that I was basically going to be okay. So Mac's people have definitely won me over in terms of the opportunity, but also won my dad and my family over in terms of the support that you get and the way that they guide you through it. I don't think I'd want to work with anyone else, to be honest.